It's season 3, and we have got a new rig for what we're doing. If anyone hasn't heard, we're not in the boat, but ta-da! We got a different rig. It's a F350 power-stroke turbo diesel V8, 6-liter turbo diesel, and a 24.5-foot Nomad fifth wheel. Has a slide out on the other side, and we're going to hit the road with this. We have 200-watt solar panels that help us keep our batteries charged, and 3,000-watt inverter inside the front. Let's have a look inside, see what's going on. Right now, I want to get away from the mosquitoes. We picked a woody spot, and right now our off and raid, because we're trying them all, is our camping cologne. We got a lot of it. So let's go on inside. Did you get whiskey? Where's whiskey? Come on, Pop. What are you doing? Oh, yeah. Let's go. You gotta come in or stay out? Let's go inside. Let's get everybody what we got. Okay. As yesterday, we started living full-time in the RV. So here we go. Come on inside. This is our home. So this is our Nomad 24.5-foot fifth wheel. This is our kitchen. It's really good size. We got a 3-burner, standard 3-burner stove. Double sink, not very deep, but doable. Phone is great. Collapsible dish rack. It's really cool. Haven't used it yet because the sink's full of dishes, and Rob hasn't done dishes yet. We got a pretty nifty size fridge and freezer. Works pretty good, gas and electric, for when isn't working. When we don't have enough electricity, it switches over to gas automatically. Turn around. This is our pull-out. This is a little slide-out couch, which lays down into its bed. And coming on in, we have our dinette that sleeps too, and Whiskey likes to sleep underneath it. That's his little dog cave. Whiskey! And our sound system and bar. We have storage lockers, and more stand-up storage in here. This is our bathroom. This is our sink. Come on in this way. And our bedroom. We have a queen-size bed. And there's our other solar panels not hooked up. We just don't seem to need it because the other one's putting out enough energy. We don't need to use it. That's the bedroom. Lots more storage. And we have our bathroom. Bathroom's right here behind Rob. And in our bathroom, I got a tub. Anyhow, it's a pretty cool size RV tub, and that's our toilet and tub in the fifth wheel. Pretty awesome size.
Oh, it got me on the video.
And that's the whole house. Well, not really. That's the indoor space. We have a ton of space outside. And that's what camping is. You're living outside half the majority of the time and just sleeping inside, unless there's rain or we've got videos to make. So let's go outside and shoot something, or like literally there's bear scat everywhere. And we're in our strawberry patch that's blooming. So let's go outside, see what we can do underneath the tarp or awning. It's done.
Okay, so there you go. Now you know what's going on for season 3. We're going to be living full-time in our RV, and we're going to be traveling around, and we're probably going to be going a lot farther than most people would normally go. So stick around. We also might have a little surprise in the middle of it. You never know. So yeah, stay tuned, watch along, see where we go. And if you got any suggestions of places to go, let us know, because we're always,
Right now we're in BC.
Right. We're always wondering where to go next. So let us know. Thanks for watching.